Keep watching to see how to make this unique happy birthday balloon card. The supplies you need are shown here, and the specific colors and items that I used are all linked below. Start by drawing out the design in pencil. I've included a link to a free template down below for you. Next, take a thin black pen and outline the letters. Then, using the same thin black pen, outline the balloon. And finally, draw the string of the balloon. Once you have everything outlined, then you're ready to color in the word birthday using whatever colored pens you've chosen. As you can see, I chose 5 different colors and I repeated 3 of them. You could easily change up the colors to customize this design to your liking. Once I'd done one coat of the colors, I decided to go back in over some of them just to give them a bit more of a saturated look. And once you have the word birthday all filled in, using whatever colors you chose, the final step is to use a black pen to color in the background of the balloon. I would suggest using a thicker pen than what you used to outline, just for efficiency's sake and so it doesn't take you so long. And once you have the background all colored in, your card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.